Don't move. She's like a T-Rex. She won't attack. Oh no, Dozer! Ah! Samson! Oh no, no. No, help me. Alright, Dogzilla got me. Dogzilla. No, go away. Hey, I think it worked. Did it? Hey, I think it did. Woohoo! Sarah, look at Samson. He's attacking the bed. I could send this to Planet's Funniest Animals. I just so happened to catch this on tape.